Hello everyone, welcome to the BOSJOB channel. If you have experience with stainless steel welding, you'll know that under different heat-affected conditions, the weld spots and seams show different colors. If the heat input is low enough, the weld spots and seams will appear silver white. As the temperature rises, you'll start to see gold, purple, blue, and other hues. At this stage, if you use a weld seam cleaner, these gold, purple, and blue colors can be easily removed. However, in areas with severe heat effects and heavy oxidation, such as the backside of the weld seam, where there's a deep gray weld, it will take a longer time to clean thoroughly. What's even more frustrating is that if the cleaning time is too long, the cleaned weld seam will have a more noticeable color difference compared to the uncleaned areas. Use TurboClean for tough weld seams. Introduces TurboClean. Press the switch. It modifies output for cleaning. When you come across tough weld seams to clean, just hit the TurboClean switch. This changes the output waveform. Weld seams become cleaner. Once you release the TurboClean switch, you'll notice that weld seams are now cleaner. In this mode, the area may turn black. Release the TurboClean switch and scrub. It will return to silver. You might see the cleaned area turn black, but don't worry. Once you release the TurboClean switch and keep scrubbing, the weld seam will quickly go back to a bright silver. We're launching this TurboClean feature first on our WBC 200SD stepless dual tank cleaning machine. The new model will be called WBC 200SDT. The three-letter suffix SDT stands for stepless. Dual tank turbo clean. This powerful combination ensures even the toughest weld seams are perfectly cleaned. This powerful combination makes sure that even the toughest weld seams get cleaned perfectly. The stepless adjustment allows separate tanks for solution and water. Rinse with clean water. You can use one tank for the cleaning solution and the other for clean water. After cleaning the weld seam, rinse with clean water and clean the internal pump, pipelines, while also cleaning the internal pump, pipelines, main shaft, and the brush of the cleaning gun. This really helps to extend the lifespan of the components. TurboClean lets you clean oxidized weld seams. Surprise next. Lets you efficiently clean even severely oxidized weld seams. Don't go anywhere. The surprise is coming up next. We will update C-Series TIG welder software. It adds weld bead cleaning in CP mode. For the C-Series AC/DC TIG welders, this update introduces a weld bead cleaning mode under CP mode. In this mode, you can connect a weld cleaning gun and a 304 stainless steel ground clamp to the welder. There are two cleaning options available for weld seams. One option is to use a manual cleaning gun. For tough welds, activate TurboClean. Release to normal mode after strokes. You can press the switch to turn on the TurboClean function for some serious cleaning. After a few strokes, just release the switch to go back to normal cleaning mode. If you want automatic liquid supply functionality, we are introducing the LS01 liquid supply system. It allows C-Series AC/DC TIG welders like the TIG 200C to serve as the power source, while the LS01 liquid supply system delivers liquid through the gun, so you won't have to keep dipping the brush into the cleaning solution. Now you have both standard and turbo cleaning. Automatic liquid supply is also available. Dual tank switching, automatic cleaning systems, they've got it all. We aim to keep adding more useful features over time to make sure these machines just keep getting better and better. Continuous updates keep it exciting. Stay tuned for BOSJOB. Innovation continues, but those continuous updates keep it exciting and fun. Stay tuned for BOSJOB. Innovation never stops. See you next time. Bye-bye.